Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Anker, a rapidly growing consumer electronics company, is out with another new brand, AnkerMake. And the first product on the way is the M5 3D printer. It's designed to be fast and even stylish for a 3D printer, and even includes a built-in HD camera. Anker's Robert Berg.
Normally you want to track your own creation, right? So time-lapse videos, for example, are very, very popular because you want to see the process from printing your favorite print from the scratch to the final end, and then you can share it, for example, on social media.
There's early bird pricing under $500 on Kickstarter if you hurry, with shipping due to begin this summer. Find more info at AnkerMake.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.